Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll show you how I recovered these old cushions. First I'm creating a pattern out of this old cushion, so basically I'm tracing a pattern out of this cushion on a new fabric. After I cut the pattern out, I'm marking the elastic line and the strap line. Next, I'm cutting fabric for the elastic straps. Next, I'm cutting fabric for the seat straps. So these two are seat straps and this is elastic strap. First I will sew and prepare elastic strap. Elastic strap for the cushion back is finished now. Next I'm sewing two cushion seat straps. So here are all my straps. First I will pin this elasticated strap on the top of the cushion there where I have marked. So I'm pinning that strap on the right side of the fabric where I have marked on one side and other side, and I'm placing the other fabric on the top of the strap like that. Next I'm pinning these cushion seat straps where I have pinned and marked there, so they are both in the same level. Next I will sew all around the cushion, all around there, except that part I will leave open. Next I'm turning my new cushion cover to the right side. It looks like that. Cutting the old cushion straps and elastic out, and I'm inserting the old cushion inside in the new cover. I'm evening out all of the edges so they are nice and flat. Last thing what I need to do is to sew up this opening together there. This is how it looks after I sewed that opening together. And here are my finished cushions. If you have any questions how I recovered these cushions, please comment down below in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.